Yeah, yeah, it's
Yeah,
easy.
okay. Yeah, thank you. Uh, Today I am trying to explain landscape. Landscape. Uh, Landscape. When we uh, before going to landscape, we need to know about the server. What is the server? Whatever the we use data, any data, it is saved in server. In the SAP point of view, there are several type of servers we used to do in real time. So this, in real time, this terminology we used to call as a landscape. We in the SAP there are the steps of server maintenance. There is a sandbox server. We used to prepare. This is a trial version and error basis. If we don't know about the SAP and configuration in the trial run and error basis, if we give any training to anyone, we used to use the sandbox server, and then coming to picture as a development server and uh, whatever we are going to use the configuration, we use development server. This is called a golden client, and the next step would be the testing. In the same whatever we have designed the configuration, the in the same we use the testing in the configuration. Is it working properly or not? And then we will move to quality server. Their ABAP team will be there, and they will test again whatever the we configure all scenarios. And then again the pre-production server, we move to the pre-production server. Here the end user will come and post the entries, and then they will check the configuration is working properly or not. Once it is accepted, then it will transfer to the production server. This is a production server. All end users, all entries, whatever we are seeing in the display, in the production server only. Remaining all servers would be the backend server. We can't able to see, but this all configuration would happen based on the configuration only. The all entries applicable in the system. uh, as a FI consultant, only we can see the production server. We can't able to do edit and entries. We can see how the display is working and going on in real time. If we want any configuration, we can do it the back end configuration only. And once a our part would be the development server. We do all configurations here and step by step process. Then everything is accepted by the user manual or testing. We will move to the end server. And if you come to the after server, anything, if we go by a scenario basis, there is a uh, types of errors. There are many types of errors, like a end user error would be there, master data error, configuration error, interface error, technical error, and system performance error. When we get the any ticket, a real basis, first we need to understand which type of error it was. Once we know the which type of error it is, then we can able to take the next step, where we need to solve that issue as a end user stage and master data stage and configuration error stage, interface error stage, technical error stage, and system performance error stage. End user mistake means mostly once we configuration has happened, and but end user doesn't understand that one properly, and if he is not mentioning data based on the system convenience, there are the chances the error will occur again and again. So the tickets will be raised more and more. For that we need to train the end user so that he can understand system properly and he can put data based on the system, the error would not happen. If we go to the master data errors, this all error types are vast subject. So next classes I'm going to clear step by step for in deeper way. This is a generally I am telling about the how SAP data is saving in the servers, and what are the configuration done by the FICO consultant in development stage. After that, there is move to the unit testing development server. Then the next step would be the quality server, and then it will go to the pre-production server. Then final stage is the production server. Server is if we see the server picture, we can understand how it is like server box would be like this. So one server box, all data would be saved in one area, and it will access by all people. And there is a security purpose. If we go in deeper way, you can understand in better way. This is a server base, and coming classes, as my knowledge, what I am giving suggestion, if we take anyone who is giving any topic, if they give along with the what are the errors going to be the topic, as well as what are the questions raised by the interview in that topic. If we tell about coming days, it will be easy for everyone. అంటే నేను అనేది, ఇప్పుడు మనం అందరు టాపిక్ చెప్తున్నారు, దాంతో పాటు ఎర్రర్స్ ఏమొస్తాయి ఆ టాపిక్ చేసేటప్పుడు, అవి అది చెప్తూ, అండ్ దాంతో పాటు ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఇంటర్వ్యూ పాయింట్ లో ఈ టాపిక్ మీద ఏమేం క్వశ్చన్స్, దాని ఆన్సర్స్ కూడా చెప్పినట్టయితే అందరికి ఇంకా బాగా అర్థం కావడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరైనా టాపిక్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఈ 2 పాయింట్స్ కూడా కొంచెం చేసినట్టయితే అందరికి బాగా అర్థమవుతుంది నా ఉద్దేశం. ఓకేనండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yeah, thank you, Bharat. It's a nice presentation here.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Nice, Bharat.
Yeah, thank you, and thank you for participating.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.